What cucumbers have to do with music and success? More than you think. Stay with me. It might change your days. Hey, this is 春天了. Today, I'm going to share with you the secret ingredient. Not in your salad, but in your success. Cucumber. Cucumber are crisp, refreshing, and hydrating. When I eat one, I feel awake, clear mind, and ready to create. That's just like music. When you feed your body with something clear, something clean, your mind plays beautiful tune. And your arts get sharper. Your idea bloom. Success isn't about hustle. It is about what you feed yourself. Your thought, your emotion, and your food, vegetable, and fruit, and cucumber. Even a cucumber can be your first step. Before I write a song or a book chapter, sometimes I start with water, an apple, an orange, a cherry, a strawberry, or this cucumber. It is my reset button. Simple but powerful. What is your version of cucumber? Comment below. Share your experience. Now let me try my cucumber. Clean my hand. Oh, by the way, I peel it. This is a cucumber not peeled, and this one I peel it. I think it will. I don't like a chemical. That's why I peel it. This is an unpeeled one. Let me try it. Cucumber is crisp. I just got it from refrigerator. Refreshing and hydrating. Wonderful. Put the cucumber here. This is 春天了. where music, health, and purpose meet. If you like this kind of creative inspiration, let me know. If this message inspires you, subscribe, share, comment, and enjoy it. And it will make this video reach more audience, support more people. Welcome to join my program. Thank you for your support. See you next time. Bye bye.